Hi, this is Wisconsin Weather Storm Chaser Joe Slaughter here in Ellsworth, Wisconsin and central Pierce County. We're under a tornado warning right now. The storm just arrived in town here a few minutes ago. We're experiencing some pretty strong gusty winds right now. Looking at radar here, we might be experiencing some inflow winds here. The sirens have just started now going off here in town here. I think they're a little late, but better late than never, I guess, right? But we do have some light tree debris flying through the air right now where I'm at here. I'm at the holiday station here in Ellsworth. We got real strong winds coming in from the west right now. Some light tree debris is flying through the air. Sorry if the quality is bad. Very strong gusty winds right now here in Ellsworth. If you're in the Ellsworth area, I recommend taking shelter right now. That you are under a tornado warning. You should take that seriously. Towns that are going to be affected by this include Plum City, Martell, Elmwood, Spring Valley, Eau Gallie. This is your time to get ready to prepare to take shelter. This could produce a tornado anytime. There's a warning. This is radar indicated rotation, but this line of storms has had a history of producing tornadoes in far eastern Minnesota. So it's good just to take shelter, take these warnings seriously. The wind has kind of died down here now, but I'm guessing another gust will eventually show up. The tornado sirens here in Ellsworth have discontinued. I'm sorry if the live stream is bad quality. I'm currently here in Pierce County in Ellsworth, far western Wisconsin. We're under a tornado warning right now. It's a rather large tornado warning, I might add. It's covering Pepin, extreme southwestern Dunn County, and most of Pierce County right now. This line of storms has had a history of producing tornadoes. So if you're in the path of this possible tornadic storm, take cover. Be producing a tornado anytime. Just moments ago, if you missed it, we experienced some very, very strong gusty winds out ahead of this. Some light tree debris was flying through the air. I'm going to continue to live stream as long as I can here. Now we're getting another blast of wind here. Very, very heavy rain. Very heavy rain. Very, very strong wind right now across Ellsworth. Very strong straight line wind right now in Ellsworth. I don't have any instrument to measure this wind, but I'm guessing this is meeting severe criteria. So folks in Ellsworth and in eastern Pierce County, this is coming toward you really fast. Towns of Spring Valley, Elmwood, Plum City, Eau Gallie, Durand, you need to be taking shelter right now. I just got an update on the warning right now. There's a tornado confirmed near Ellsworth, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Looking on radar here, I'm not seeing, it might be just south of Ellsworth, moving northeast towards Elmwood. But there's a confirmed tornado near Ellsworth right now. So there you have it, folks, a confirmed tornado on the ground near Ellsworth. You need to get to shelter right now, especially in the towns of Elmwood, towns of Martell, anywhere in between Elmwood and Ellsworth. You need to be taking shelter right now. I'm currently in Ellsworth right now. We just got a couple of blasts of strong wind and some light tree debris that came flying through. I'm not sure if that had anything to do with the rotation that is being confirmed on the ground near Ellsworth here. But this storm is moving fast at 65 miles per hour. Okay, folks, I'm going to log off for now. The storm's kind of calmed down. The main front of it is pretty much passed to my east now. I think Justin Publon is going to try to put up a live stream of these warnings that are taking effect right now here in western Wisconsin. So be sure you check in there for more updates and details. I'll come back if I have anything pertinent to share with you all. Thank you.